Hello, Ito pala. Hello, everyone. Guess what just arrived today? Ta-da! It's one of my designs straight from the shop, and I'm very excited to open it. I've been working on these designs for quite some time now, so here it is. We're gonna try it out. Let's see. So let's open this one. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Let's try some video. Let's try this out. This is one of the new designs. Oh, it's actually, it looks big, but I guess this is how it fits. Let me show you guys. So these are one of my favorite designs. So these are the new ones that I did. Believe in the process, and then it says stay the course. Good things take time. And I got the brand on the bottom right here. So first of all, I like the color. I picked this one because it's neutral color, and I felt like it's easy for me to pair it with other clothes. Earth colors is really my go-to clothing color. It's actually a hazy pink, guys. They're available in like black, white, powder, orchid, and hazy pink and butter. Pursuing your passion or doing a side hustle can be very daunting when you're a mom, and I can totally understand how it feels like to be just trying to survive the day, and that's why I always remind myself that success doesn't happen overnight, and good things really to take time. Believing in the process, even if you're moving slow, you're still moving forward. And it's also about pursuing your passion, you're pursuing your goals despite the setbacks, despite the many challenges. And staying the course for me is showing up consistently, not perfectly, but being there and consistently working on the goals that I have set, the vision that I set for myself and for my family, but working on it every day with flexibility and grace. Yeah, I love it. I love the print. I like the way that it came out, the colors, the combination. I can see myself wearing this playing pickleball, or probably my yoga sessions, or just just hanging around or doing errands, going to the grocery stores or something. I'm gonna try to wear it with one of my yoga pants tomorrow and show you guys how it looks like. But if this design resonates with you, I hope you check out my shop at redbubble.NayNarsLana.com, and they're also available in Amazon. Just search for NayNars, NARS shirts or apparels, and it will come out. I like that it's very soft and it's breathable, and again it's a square, it's a square fit, so it's very, very comfy. By the way, just to add, you will also get this sticker once you purchase the shirts or any apparels in Redbubble, and at the back you can see there's a QR code, and this will give you a link and access to register the affiliate programs. So definitely something that you want to check out for those who are interested to earn passive income. If you have been eyeing on this design, I can officially say that this is mom tested and approved. Thank you for watching. Remember, trust the process. So yeah, check out my shop. Dami sinabi. Hirap ang ganda.